Alright traders, here we are again, back at the grind, Monday morning. Super excited for this week on the account. Another green day today. Let me know how you guys did in the comment section below, but traded AWSM, really nailed that, guys, and actually right now it's breaking $3, guys. I bought this at about $2.50, I think, and sold it at like $2.80. Made about 30 cents on it, just a few hundred shares. But this one is a great looking chart pattern. I go over it in the video today. I hope you guys nailed it as well. I'm in VTVT right now on a little bit of a swing, I guess you could say. But that's going to do it for today, guys. Let me know how you did in the comment section below. Hope you enjoy the video. Alright traders, we got about a minute until the market opens on up. Very excited for today. We got a few great opportunities. AWSM, I'm keeping this on high alert because we have a beautiful daily chart pattern. Beautiful squeeze on it. And this one is a former supernova. Beautiful squeeze on it right now. I'm watching for good volume to come into that. Not only that, VTVT is setting up in a gorgeous ascending triangle pattern, guys. It's right off the trend right now. If we pull up the 20-day chart, it's got clear resistance and it's bouncing off of these higher lows. Higher lows coming in. If we get a sell-off at the start of the day on VTVT, I will be scooping this on up. Let me go ahead and get my order ready on that. VTVT, very excited for it. AWSM, this one is getting some bids on it. I went ahead and entered 200 shares, 251. It's got a gorgeous pattern on it. That's why I'm going ahead and taking an entry on it. VTVT, I'm getting in this. It had a sell-off at the start of the day. I'm in that. 200 shares at 279, and AWSM I'm in 200 shares at 251. VTVT, I really love that one because I'm right at my risk. 275 is right at my risk on this one. If we pull up the 20-day chart, bouncing right off of that trend line, 275. Got in at 279. AWSM starting to get a little bit of heat behind it. If I'm going to add to it, I want to see really good volume start coming in. So I'm paying close attention to the volume here. It's popping up on the scanner. That's great. This is such a gorgeous pattern, and I'm in so early. It's hard to really want to sell it. AWSM, should I add to this one? It's popping up on people's radars now. Should I add or should I go? Boom, 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 boom. The good volume hasn't really come into it yet. Alright guys, I just took it right up there at 285. The volume I'm wanting isn't coming into it. Now I don't know if I'm just not being patient enough here. Oh, now the volume wants to come into it. Oh, okay. Oh my god. That did not just happen, guys. Now the good volume's starting to come in. Right when I sold it. Guys, I was sitting on this one for like 30 minutes. And right when I sold it, this one starts popping up to $3. I mean, I gave it time. I gave it time. I'm going to try not to complain because, I mean, that was a great trade and all, but it's just annoying that I'll sit here for 5 minutes, sell, and then volume comes in. Okay, this time I'll sit here for 30 minutes. Volume's not where I want it. I'll sell. And then the volume comes in. It's like, why every single time? It's like the market makers are like, all right, Kevin's out. Send it on up. It seriously just drives me absolutely crazy. But I went over this one for you guys in pre-market. Please let me know if you made money on it in the comment section below. This one has huge potential still, but you guys know me. I just take my little chunk and run. But on those 200 shares, I made about 31 cents. So that's really good, guys. And VTVT, I'm still holding this position. I still really like VTVT. I might just set a stop on it and go about my day because this one is right on the trend line, guys. As long as it stays above that trend, I'll be all right. But here we are. We're on the trend. It cracked right under it for a second. Came back up through it. AWSM is one we're going to have to watch throughout the rest of the week. See what this one's going to do. Now, if I come back later and AWSM has broke $3 and it's up near $4 or $5, guys, I mean, it doesn't have that great a volume right now, so I do see potential in it doing that. What I need to do is sell 100 shares and then put myself in a coma and go about my day. Alright traders, I'm probably going to end my day right here. I'm probably going to set a stop on VTVT under 279, kind of where my entry was. Lose maybe like a few dollars on it. 280's got some solid support, 10,000 shares at 280, so that's probably where I'm going to set my stop and just go about the day, which would probably end up better for me anyways because I always love to sell too soon, as you guys know. VTVT, I got an early entry on this. If we're going to continue to bounce here and start moving back up towards that upper trend line on the ascending triangle pattern, really like this pattern, guys. If we can retest 325, 330 again in the coming days. You guys know I love VTVT. But that's going to do it for today. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below, guys. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you tomorrow.